Hey guys, it's me Tracy at TYS Creates. Thanks for stopping by. I want to share a project with you. On the Facebook group Loaded Envelope Galore and more, we are doing sewing machine caddies. And the paper pad that I used for this is Menagerie, and it's a Prima pad. And I am so happy to say that I have finally used that paper pad up. I only have scraps left over, so yay for me. Please stop by Yorlis channel. She is Pretty by Yorlis, and she has a great tutorial on how to put this caddy together. Also, if you are interested in purchasing the SVG file, you can go to the Cutting Cafe. Once you make your payment, you will promptly get the file, and this is a digital file. So, let me show you what I came up with. Ta-da! I absolutely love it. So stinking cute. But before I show you this, I also did a rough draft of one. This is the one I did first, and I'm so glad that I did do it. And normally I do when I'm working on a new project. I normally would do a rough draft of one just to work out any kinks before I actually start on the one that I'm going to give. And when I put this one together, I actually put the glue on the box itself, and I did not give account for this little groove here, this little curve here. So here you can see that I have glue all over this part of the box. So if you decide to do this, make sure that you're actually putting the glue on the box itself so you won't make that mistake. But this is still usable, and you might see it again. I can cover this up and decorate it real cutesy like. So yeah, wanted to show you that. And this one is the one that I'm actually gifting out. I love it. This project was so fun, and this is a great size. And if you know anybody that loves to sew, this would be a great gift for them. Really, really pretty. Now the SVG file comes with the kit, to put the, the box together, and it also comes with a lot of accessories to add to the box. I did not use a lot of the accessories. I only used a few of them. So when you go by the Cutting Cafe, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I used the flatback pearls. I used this little sticker that came in a pack that I got from Michael's. I used a Dollar Tree snowflake. I have my eyelash trim. This flower here is by Laura Whitlock, and I cut this out with my Cricut machine. Of course, I used butterfly here. This beautiful flower I actually got from a swap that was gifted to me. This wooden piece I got from Michael's. And I used this trim here. Now this trim was actually white, and I used some of that spray to put on it, and I forgot the name of that spray, but I sprayed that on it and it turned it green, and it matched the box perfectly. And sitting on the top of this box here, you can see that I have a little ribbon here and a spool that I wrapped some ribbon around and just glued that on top of the box. I love the way that it turned out. So stinking pretty, so pretty. And this is the top of my sewing machine caddy. Another flower, another butterfly. I have some pearls here, some more of that ribbon. I have these spools, and I have them wrapped with more eyelash trim and this beautiful flower here. And also here I have, this is a felt heart. It's glitter gold on one side, and the opposite side is pink. And I have a wooden clothespin here, and it's actually sticking out here on the side. And again, some of my pearls. So love that little collage there. So let's take a look at what is inside. There we go. What's inside of the boxes. And these boxes are actually a good size. You can put a lot of stuff in here. So in the first box, I put a lot of trim in here, and I have it wrapped around those clothespins, those wooden clothespins. And I think this trim is so cute. And this is the lace that I used. You know, I said it was white, and I sprayed the spray on it and made it green. And then I have eyelash trim here also. And in my second box, I have it, well, I put the little shredded paper in it. But in the second box, I have these little ribbon or bows. I have wooden hearts. I have lace. I have some of those wooden clothespins. I have bows. I really don't want to take all of this out. I have bows. I have washi tape, some washi tape, and I have some of these little flat spools to wrap ribbon or whatever around. So yeah, that's what that is. And we had to do 2 circle embellishments, and I actually showed these on my Instagram. And I put a little metal pair of scissors here. And on the second one, I put a metal ruler here. And I love this die. This actually came in a little die set that I got from AliExpress. And it came with these 2, well, it came with 2 swans, 2 die swans. So I love that die. I think it's really cute. And it's a good size too for circle embellishments or smaller embellishments that you want to do. And we had the choice of doing a tag or a card. Of course, I chose a tag, and I cut this with my Cricut machine. It's supposed to be a cut of a spool, and I just decorated it with this flower here. These little gold leaves that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is actually a die, and I used that glitter paper from Hobby Lobby. And these little doohickeys here I got from Michael's. It was a little set of words, and this says, "You are amazing. Remember that." And then I just topped it off with a bow. And I also have some tulle on top as well. So yeah, this is what I created for my swap partner, and these will make awesome gifts for anybody that you know who loves to sew. And like I said, these little boxes, they hold quite a bit, and I just love the way that it turned out. And this is the back. This is the back of it. Oh, my paper tore a little bit. Okay, I'll fix that. So, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate it, because I know that you do not have to stop by this channel to watch anything. So you definitely are appreciated. Don't forget to stop by the Cutting Cafe for this file if you want it. And don't forget to stop by Pretty by Yorlis to see that great tutorial that she did. Thank you guys so much, and you guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.